Okay, in this video, well, that was really close, too close actually.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway,
Wait, no, wait, let me see that. Okay then, okay, we have 30-foot measuring.
I actually have 25. My dad only had 30. 130. So we're gonna put these across the floor, and then we're gonna let them snap back and get us. Pretty fun. Okay.
You get the 25 one. I like the longer things.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, go sit out there, or whatever you're gonna do. Stand, sit. Okay. Oh yeah, good idea. Oh no. Hey, don't do it like that. Stupid. Do this.
Stupid.
Great. Stand back there and like start letting it go back to you.
What do you mean?
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do it. And then we're gonna let them fly back at us later.
Ew.
Did I already cross the whole garage? You got a text, so you dropped it.
Read everything backwards.
Backwards, everything right. That was pretty intense, but now we're gonna do it even cooler. There we go. This is a stupid video.
Here, I'm gonna do it. Okay. Okay. My tummy hurts.
That hurts even more.
I don't know what to say, but I know it was fun.
You don't do that, they're gonna break it.
I didn't mean to break your thing.
Do what we were gonna do in the first place. It goes up to the ceiling. Here, you keep doing that. I'll get it back.
It fell. It's limp.
It's too limp. No volleyball. Oh, here. Toss it here. Here, grab volleyballs. Chuck it at each other.
I don't know, I'm gonna choke on my gum. Spike. Like.
Check out.
Oh. It hurts. It hurts doing it, kid. You don't make balls like these days.
True that.
No.
This is quite a lovely sector.
No, this is kind of a lovely sector.
I love the way the steering stays my.
I love the way this gum matches my stomach.
Oh! This lovely specimen. Won't that look even nicer on his face?
Ow, hit me right in the hand. Nothing more.
Oh, I got that.
Oh, I got that. Alright.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
How this turned into a volleyball fight?
No! laugh at ourselves, don't we, sometimes?
Yeah, that's what we call.
Oh my god.
You open up the drawer.
Don't you remember that one guy?
Yeah.
I'm actually talking about something real.
Yes, I'm like.
That's it. You know, it's going to be bleeding by the time I get my sack on your
Five.
wad. What?
My sack on your wad. Go.
Go.
Yeah, we're going for 5 minutes. Let's go.
You're allowing me to go.
Yeah, go.
5 minutes and 36?
What are you doing?
I don't know. It's like pretty interesting. I was like, stop it!
You're not gonna hurt an old lady with a video camera, are you? Are you?
Am I? Stop! Stop!
You stop. I missed. That sucks.
Yeah, it sucks.
Oh, what? Dude, what is that?
I don't know, it's like a cord or something.
It's like a cord. Dude, don't.
Don't.
6, we got 7 minutes. Let's make a final finale.
Oh, my balls. Go, 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
I missed. Oh, it sounds like a dandy tired Mr. Walk Dog. I'm tired, Mr. Walk Dog.
What? You don't walk dogs.
Hey, totally.
Do my feet are dirty. I'm gonna want to. Get out of here.
That's what she said.
Stop it, Spencer. I feel like I'm a rat in a cage.
You feel like you're a rabbit? You feel like you're a rabbit in a cage?
I said I feel like a rat in a cage.
Why?
I don't know, it's just like some gay thing I just came up with.
Because you're a rabbit in a cage. You're born that way.
Dude. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. I ruled it.
That's the end of the video. Got 7 minutes. I'll say it. Okay, bye.